property you are going to love. I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and today we are at my newest listing, a traditional home nestled in a sought-after North Raleigh location of Woodlawn. It is priced perfectly in comparison to recent sales, and I can't wait for you to see it. Inside, you'll discover a private floor plan with a formal dining room, an oversized living space with a charming fireplace, and the heart of the home pulls everything together with an eat-in kitchen. Upstairs features your generous-sized bedrooms, bonus, and a vaulted primary suite. This home features just under 1,800 square feet with 3 bedrooms plus a bonus, 2.5 baths, and the opportunity to make this one your own. Conveniently located in the community of Woodlawn, residents enjoy access to a community pool, tennis courts, top-rated schools, and proximity to shopping, dining, and recreational opportunities. Minutes from 540 and less than 15 minutes from RDU and Research Triangle Park. This home presents a wonderful opportunity to add an investment property to your portfolio. Nestled in a desirable location in a thriving area, this home was strategically priced to sell quickly. For more information or to see this one before it's too late, give the Coley Group a call today.